Hello guys, so we have a situation whereby we sprayed some roach poison. So here is the current situation. Like, the house is in total disorder. The house is in total disorder, as you can see, and the cockroaches have died. They have died. So, guys, it's like we've been breeding cockroaches. It's like we have been breeding them. But you see all this here? It's like our pots and cups in that dish. We removed them from the cabinets, and we have all the food items and groceries in these bins, and some clothes as well, because they were also staying in this laundry basket. So like, we removed everything, and yeah, they died. Even the little babies are dead. So wow. No, I have to commend like this one that we used this time. I think this is it. So we had to wait for like 6 hours so that it does its thing. And yeah, we've just opened up the doors and the windows now so that fresh air gets in. Some are still struggling to survive, as you can see, but more, they are dead. They died. They died. Okay, you died. It's like, these have been the worst batch of cockroaches I've ever seen. But I think for now we're going to be okay, I think for a month or so. So now it's time for us to clean. Forgive me guys for looking like a mad woman, but ever since we came back from church, we've been sitting outside, and that probably just shows on my face that I'm tired. So now I think it's time for us to get cleaning. So we just have to figure out where my son will be while we are cleaning, because there's still a little bit of the air which has been polluted by the poison. So yeah guys, stay tuned and clean with me.
It's so annoying that you're smart.
So guys, here I'm just contemplating on whether I should start with the kitchen or the bathroom. But in the end, I decided to start with the bathroom, coming into the kitchen and so on. So yeah, there was a lot to do. So I did not end up doing the living area and the bedroom area because my husband did that part. So I only focused with the kitchen and the bathroom, and a lot had to be done. As you can see, we took everything out of where it's supposed to be, and I would need to retain all that. So I'm just starting with the bathroom. I'm just taking all the dead cockroaches out of that shower area, and then after that I am going to scrub the area where we keep our shower gels, because my husband had sprayed the poison there. So because we touch it often, I decided that I should scrub that area, so you will see that in a while. So thank you so much guys for tuning into today's video. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe and join the family. We are royalty over here. We do everything homemaking and vlogs. With homemaking, it includes everything like cleaning and organizing, cooking, being a mom, and all that. So you are welcome. Kindly do consider subscribing, and yeah guys, continue watching until the end. And to my premiere gang, welcome back.
Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do everything I can. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do everything I can. Daily reminders, it's all in my mind. Oh, why do I feel there's ice coming from all plains and fields, burning through my skin? 7 a.m. and the mayhem begins. Oh, why do I hear my name from the hostile atmosphere? But it's pretty clear that I'm the one who's to blame. Going the extra lengths just to trouble myself, as if I really mattered at all. Spending time in my thoughts just to hide all my faults, as if they're waiting for me to fall. Take a piece of myself away just to give up, as if they really knew me at all. Still keep on my walls. Wish that I could dissolve, and it's solely my fault. Looking from my own eyes, oh, why do I see there need to be someone else but me? Take all my energy, and I get sidetracked, stagger back, trip on my own words. I do make myself looking at brand new, and tell myself get away. Still the one who's to blame. Going the extra lengths just to trouble myself, as if I really mattered at all. Spending time in my thoughts just to hide all my faults, as if they're waiting for me to fall. Take a piece of myself away just to give up, as if they really knew me at all. Still keep on my walls. Wish that I could dissolve, and it's solely my fault. But if you ask for my direction, I won't advise you to look and think the way I do. Oh, and I know I should follow suit. The extra lengths just to trouble my.
Alright guys, so moving on to the kitchen. I am done with the bathroom. So in the kitchen I need to sweep all the dead cockroaches from the floor, from underneath the cabinets, from behind the washing machine, everywhere really. Every corner there are dead cockroaches, every corner, as you saw earlier, underneath the fridge, everywhere. So I need to be moving furniture around. I will also be scrubbing the inside of the cupboards because the poison was sprayed there, so I need to scrub before I return everything into its place. So after a sweeping and mopping, I would then wash the dishes that were not put in plastic bags because those have the poison on them. So I'm going to wash them, and I will not wash the ones that are in the plastic bags. Just to be careful, I think whenever I need to use the ones that are in the plastic bags, I'm going to first of all just wash them a bit, then use them. But I'm not going to wash them now. Now I'm just going to focus on the ones that have not been placed in the plastic bins. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, thank you. I appreciate you. Watch until the end.
Take a look into the mirror, following your heart, put your silence to the fear, and you deserve it. You deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go. Now your seeds can grow. Imagine that. You deserve it. You deserve it now. Hey.
Pick up the phone, little darling, I got a bit to say. I'm speaking from the heart, I pray it doesn't ricochet. I know you got his up, distance makes this hard enough. I hope that I can ask for you to listen, man, this fight is tough. I sent a message and maybe you didn't get it yet. When you have a second, you should check it, swear you won't regret it. I'm stepping out of a meeting, a big amount's where it's leading. I'll make you proud in proceedings, we'll hit the town in the evening, darling. And then it's time for us to celebrate. Pop some vino, we know we celebrate. Hello, mate, enjoy the ride and spend for something real nice. Cause every dream I've ever had, you helped me realize. No matter how much of a stretch I guess it feels like, no matter how left field, you make it feel right. You believed it could be real beyond the surface. In your eyes I saw that I was worth it. Perfect.
Take a look into the mirror, following your heart, put your silence to the fear, and you deserve it. You deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go. Now your seeds can grow. Imagine that. You deserve it. You deserve it now.
And may I say that I never take for granted the lady that I make my plans with daily. Maybe one day shapes the planet with no way to even say it in my native language. Sharing everything I feel for you, I gotta give the praise in Spanish. Mariposa, you and I couldn't be any closer. You make me breathe like a bean of heavy smoker. When we get married, we will be ready for what the world will bring. We'll burn him if they had buddied up. Lawrence and LaRousse, it was a cruise, so much to do, so now we run amok. Your laser focus shapes my ruthless execution. My elocution takes your train of thought to resolution. I'm never wanting you, holding back from a benefit, and anyone supporting you will assent with the sentiment. I'm with you every step of the way. Blessings and curses through my eyes every second. You're worth it. Perfect.
Take a look into the mirror, following your heart, put your silence to the fear, and you deserve it. You deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go. Now your seeds can grow. Imagine that. You deserve it. You deserve it now. Hey. Try to let it go. Leave it down the road. If it's weighing heavy on your soul, try to let it go. Try to let it go, yeah. Try to let it go. Either way it goes, don't let it weigh heavy on your soul. Try to let it go. Try to let it go, yeah. Take a look into the mirror, following your heart, put your silence to the fear, and you deserve it. You deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go. Now your seeds can grow. So annoying that you're smart, that your casual conversation, even a short duration, can cover everything from science-based to art. It's so obnoxious that you're kind, that you always have time for family and help out everybody, as if a million things don't occupy your mind. If you could be just a little less perfect, resist you. It's maddening that you make me smile, even at times when no one else can. When I get overwhelmed and I want the world to fade away just for a while. Over the top that you're so cute, and that if you and David stood there both side by side, I bet that Michelangelo would be surely carving you. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying and take it slow. Oh, how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Can I resist you? Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do everything I can. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it, I'll do it.
So right now I am just scrubbing that area underneath the fridge because it was now filthy. It was, guys, it did not look good. You know, the I don't know, that dirt left behind by cockroaches, that black stuff, it was just bad over there. So I could not just mop only, I had to scrub it. I had to scrub the walls again because it was so bad. It was black all over. So I needed to scrub it first, then mop. So yeah, guys, continue watching.
My name from the hostile atmosphere, but it's pretty clear that I'm the one who's to blame. Going the extra lengths just to trouble myself, as if I really mattered at all. Spending time in my thoughts just to hide all my faults, as if they're waiting for me to fall. Take a piece of myself, we're just a gift, as if they really knew me at all. Still keep on my walls. Wish that I could dissolve, and it's solely my fault. Looking from my own eyes, oh, why do I see there need to be someone else but me? Take all my energy, and I get sidetracked, stagger back, trip on my own words. I do make myself looking at brand new, and tell myself get away. Still the one who's to blame. Going the extra lengths just to trouble myself, as if I really mattered at all. Spending time in my thoughts just to hide all my faults, as if they're waiting for me to fall. Take a piece of myself, we're just a gift, as if they really knew me at all. Still keep on my walls. Wish that I could dissolve, and it's solely my fault. If you ask for my direction, I won't advise you to look and think the way I do. Oh, and I know I should follow suit. The extra lengths just to trouble myself, as if I really mattered at all. Spending time in my thoughts just to hide all my faults, so as if they're waiting for me to fall. Take a piece of myself, we're just a gift, as if they really knew me at all. Still keep up my walls. Wish that I could dissolve, and it's solely my fault. into the mirror, following your heart, but to silence to the fear. And you deserve it. You deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go. Now your seeds can grow. Imagine that. You deserve it. You deserve it now. Hey.
Pick up the phone, little darling.
So now moving on to the dishes that I talked about earlier. I'm just washing the dishes um, that we covered in the poison. So after that, then I know that I'm just going to put the dishes away, then put the food stuff back into its storage containers, and then I'll be done. And then we'll see how it looks from there. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. What are you waiting for? Kindly consider subscribing and join the royal family.
Season's gonna go. Now your seeds can grow. Imagine that. You deserve it. You deserve it now.
And may I say that I never take for granted the lady that I make my plans with daily. Maybe one day shapes the planet with no way to even say it in my native language. Sharing everything I feel for you, I gotta give the praise in Spanish. Mariposa, you and I couldn't be any closer. You make me breathe like a bean of heavy smoker. When we get married, we will be ready for what the world will bring. We're Birmingham if they had buddied up. Lawrence and LaRousse, it was a cruise, so much to do, so now we run amok. Your laser focus shapes my ruthless execution. My elocution takes your train of thought to resolution. Now I'm never wanting you, holding back from a benefit, and anyone supporting you will assent with the sentiment. I'm with you every step of the way. Blessings and curses through my eyes every second. You're worth it. Perfect.
Take a look into the mirror, following your heart, but to silence to the fear. And you deserve it. You deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go. Now your seeds can grow. Imagine that. You deserve it. You deserve it now. Hey. Try to let it go. Leave it down the road. If it's weighing heavy on your soul, try to let it go. Try to let it go, yeah. Try to let it go. Either way it goes, don't let it weigh heavy on your soul. Try to let it go. Try to let it go, yeah. Take a look into the mirror, following your heart, but to silence to the fear. And you deserve it. You deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go. Now your seeds can grow. Daily reminders, it's all in my mind. Oh, why do I feel there's ice coming from all plains and fields, burning through my skin? 7 a.m. and the mayhem begins. Oh, why do I hear my name from the hostile atmosphere? But it's pretty clear that I'm the one who's to blame. Going the extra lengths just to trouble myself, as if I really mattered at all. Spending time in my thoughts just to hide all my faults, as if they're waiting for me to fall. Take a piece of myself away just to give up, as if they really knew me at all. Still deep on my walls, wish that I could dissolve, and it's solely my fault. Looking from my own eyes, oh, why do I see there need to be someone else but me? Take all my energy. myself get away. Still the one who's to blame. Going the extra lengths just to trouble myself.
So, as you guys can see, my son is back. Our friends had taken him, so he's back now. And yeah, the air in the house is now much better. The air in the house is now much better, so it was now safe for him to come back. And here is what we got rid of, guys. It's like we were breeding these cockroaches, hey. And this is the following morning, and they were still dying. After all that cleaning, after getting rid of all those cockroaches, the next morning I woke up to more, and I had to clean again. But the good thing is that everything that needed to be in its place was in its place. So what I was left with was just sweeping off those extra dead cockroaches. And yeah, but basically much of the work was done. With my husband's help, the bathroom, as you can see, everything is back in its place. I was really tired, so some of the stuff I just ended up just putting up haphazardly. But anyways, I am pretty much happy that we don't have to deal with these cockroaches anymore for like a month now. And yeah, this is how the kitchen looks after sweeping. Yeah, it's back to its natural clean state after sweeping. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing royalty. And I will see you in the next video.
It's so annoying that you're smart, that your casual conversation, even the short duration, can cover everything from science based to art. It's so